Guys, this is Pegasus from Velocity Sense. And this is inspired by Pegasus Parfums de Marly. Hindi lahat ng masculine scents matapang at aggressive. May pabango rin na malakas ang dating ng kahit ganito lang sila. Alam niyo kung bakit? This is Pegasus. This is boldly masculine pero dahil sa powdery almond and lavender, may elegance na bihira sa men's fragrances. Alam niyo, ang magtatagal sa inyo, vanilla, sandalwood, at amber. Yun yung usually na maamoy mo. And smooth ito guys, and super high class ng dating niya. Grabe ang ganda at ang bango guys. This is under premium scents ng Velocity Scents. And you can get this 50 ml for only 550 pesos. And meron silang iba-ibang sizes dito, which is ito, 5 ml. And here is the 10 ml. So, kung gusto nyo ng ganitong amoy, guys, kuha na kayo sa Velocity Sense at velocityphilippines.com.